To fix Pinterest crashing on your phone, start by restarting your device, as this often resolves the issue. If the problem persists, check for Pinterest app updates in the App Store, as outdated versions can cause crashes. Next, clear the Pinterest app cache and data to remove any temporary files that may be causing the issue. To do this, go to your phone's settings, select the Pinterest app, and choose the option to clear cache and data. If the app continues to crash, try uninstalling and reinstalling it. This will remove any corrupted files and give you a fresh start. Be aware that you will need to log back into your account after reinstalling. Another step is to check your phone's storage space, as low storage can cause apps to crash. Delete any unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Additionally, check for operating system updates, as an outdated operating system can cause compatibility issues with apps. It is also a good idea to check for any conflicting apps, as some apps may not be compatible with Pinterest. Try closing other apps while using Pinterest too. See if this resolves the issue. Finally, if none of these steps work, contact Pinterest support for further assistance, as there may be a problem with your account or the app itself. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and get back to using Pinterest on your phone.